Here's something rich people don't want you to know. A lot of that expensive, luxury-looking home decor you drool over online is made with the exact same basic stitches you already know. I'm serious. Today, I'm showing you crochet home decor pieces that look like they belong in some high-end designer home, the kind of stuff that looks like it costs hundreds of dollars, and I'm going to break down exactly why they look so luxury so you can recreate that same feeling in your own space without spending a fortune. Here's the problem, though. Most people think luxury means complicated. They think if something looks expensive, it must have taken some advanced crocheter years to master. And because of that, a lot of people never even attempt to make their home look upscale with crochet because they assume it's out of their skill level. But that's actually not true at all. Luxury-looking decor has way less to do with difficult stitches and way more to do with three specific things: yarn choice, color, and finishing. Once you understand those three things, you can take a basic stitch you already know and make it look like it belongs in a five-star hotel lobby. Let's start with the first thing that instantly makes crochet look cheap or expensive, and that's yarn choice. If you want that luxury feel, you need to stay away from rough, scratchy, super budget acrylic yarn. I'm not saying all acrylic is bad. There are actually some really nice soft acrylic blends out there, but the really thin, squeaky, cheap-feeling stuff is an instant giveaway. What you want instead is something with a bit of drape and shine or a soft, thick texture. Think mercerized cotton, which has the subtle shine to it, or a velvet-style yarn, which feels soft and heavy in your hands. Even a nice wool blend can give that same rich, expensive feeling. The yarn itself is honestly doing half the work when it comes to making something look high-end. Now, let's actually get into our first project because this is a perfect example of that idea in action: a chunky velvet yarn throw pillow cover. Using a simple single crochet or half double crochet worked in a plain square shape, this pillow cover would look basic and kind of boring if you made it in cheap acrylic yarn. But switch that same exact pattern over to a soft velvet-style yarn in a deep color like emerald green, burgundy, or a rich navy, and suddenly it looks like something you'd find in a high-end furniture store. The stitch pattern didn't change at all, only the yarn did. And that's the whole point I want you to understand today. Let's move into the second thing that separates luxury-looking crochet from basic-looking crochet, and that's color. This is honestly one of the biggest factors in whether something reads as expensive or cheap. Bright, mixed rainbow-style colors tend to feel more playful and casual, which is great for some projects, but it's not really the luxury look. If you want that rich, high-end feeling, you want to lean into deep, saturated jewel tones or soft, warm neutrals like cream, ivory, camel, and taupe. Think about how luxury hotels and upscale homes are decorated. You rarely see bright rainbow colors everywhere. You see deep, moody tones or soft, elegant neutrals, often paired with gold or brass accents. Applying that same color thinking to your crochet projects instantly elevates how they look, even if the stitch itself stays exactly the same as something more basic. Let's put that into practice with our next project, a set of crochet vase covers made with a soft, thick, cream-colored yarn styled with a plain glass or ceramic vase underneath. Using a simple single crochet tube snug around the vase, this project takes very little time, but because of that soft, neutral color and the subtle texture from the stitches, it looks like a designer decorative object rather than something handmade. Group 2 or 3 of these together at different heights on a shelf or table, and it creates the soft, layered look that feels expensive and intentional. Now here's where we get into a bit more of a challenge, because there's one project that really tests the idea that luxury doesn't mean difficult, and that's a crochet throw blanket made with a soft, chunky wool or wool blend yarn in a simple color block design. This does take longer than the smaller projects we've talked about, simply because blankets require more rows and more yarn overall, but the actual stitch pattern stays basic, usually just simple rows of single or half double crochet, sometimes changing colors every so often to create wide, clean stripes or blocks. The challenge here isn't really about skill, it's about patience, since a blanket naturally takes longer to finish than a pillow cover or a vase wrap. But once it's done, a soft, chunky blanket in rich, coordinated colors draped over a neutral-colored couch looks like something straight out of a high-end home catalog. This actually brings me to the third thing that makes crochet look luxury, and I think this one gets overlooked the most. Finishing. This means how you handle your ends, how even your stitches are, and how you actually style and place the finished piece in your home. A gorgeous pillow cover with loose ends hanging out, uneven edges, or a lumpy, twisted seam is going to look messy no matter how nice the yarn or color choice was. Taking the extra few minutes to weave in your ends properly, block your pieces if needed to even everything out, and sew seams neatly makes a bigger difference than people expect. It's kind of like the difference between a home-cooked meal thrown onto a plate versus one that's actually plated nicely. Same ingredients, completely different feeling. Let's bring all three of these ideas together in what I'd call the climax project of today's video, the piece that really shows off everything we've talked about. A crochet, poof, or ottoman cover made with a chunky, soft cotton or wool blend yarn in a deep, rich color like a chocolate brown or a deep forest green. This project uses simple increasing and single crochet stitches worked in the round, nothing advanced at all. But because you're using a nice thick yarn, a rich color instead of something bright and random, and taking the time to finish your seams and stuffing neatly, the final result looks like a genuinely high-end piece of furniture. Set it in a living room next to a plain, neutral couch, and it becomes this beautiful little statement piece that guests will assume you bought from some expensive boutique furniture store. I also want to bring up one more small detail that plays a surprisingly big role in that luxury feeling, and that's keeping things simple rather than busy. A lot of people think adding more colors, more patterns, more little details will make something look more impressive, but actually the opposite is often true. Truly luxury spaces tend to feel calm and uncluttered. A single well-made crochet throw in one rich color often looks more expensive than a blanket made of 10 different bright colors all mixed together. If you're going for that upscale feeling, simplicity in your color choices usually wins over busy, mixed designs. Now let's bring this whole video together and look back at what we covered. We started by breaking down why yarn choice matters so much, showing how a soft velvet or mercerized cotton yarn instantly elevates a basic stitch pattern. Then we moved into color, showing how deep jewel tones and soft neutrals